Hi, welcome to Planet AG for you, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our food truck alley. Here's the overview. We first have a taco truck, and then we have a barbecue stand, and then we have a snow cone and cotton candy stand. Let me give you a quick little tour. First, we have Josefina manning our taco truck, and this truck was made from American Girl Ideas, who has a plan on her site, and this was made out of a 1/2-inch fiberboard, and we went ahead and made it and painted it and decorated it. So we have a little Mexican hat. There is a piñata. And let's take a close-up. There's a DIY piñata that I made. And then here is our food. We have some chicken empanadas, some tacos, some sauce. There's some nachos, some churros. And that is our taco truck. Next we have the barbecue truck, and that's being manned by Sage, and the stand actually was a Goodwill find. It's actually, I think, a CD holder. And then here's our food. We have a bucket of barbecue chicken, some soda, some hamburger and hot dogs grilling, and that is our barbecue truck. And next is our snow cone truck, and that's being manned by Kanani. And there's our snow cones, our syrup. We also have some cotton candy, and this the stand I revamped from the My Life snack cart. Just decorated it up, put some wheels on it. And here's our food truck alley. So it was fun putting together. I hope you enjoy. Here we have Ivy enjoying a hot dog and some chips. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.